Why is that Linux YouTuber showing us how to install Windows today? Well, I need to get it reinstalled to get Final Fantasy VII Rebirth working again still. Thanks, NVIDIA. So yeah, I thought I'd quickly show you how to install Windows 11 with TPM SecureBoot and an offline account quickly. So as you can see, I've already got my ISO booted. Let's crack on and get this installed. So first thing I need to do here is press Shift F10. That's going to load up a terminal for me. Hey, it's like being back in Linux. Regedit, and we have navigate to local machine, system setup, and then we need to create a new key. So we just right click, new key, and we call that lab config. Hit return, and inside here we need to create some new D words. So new D word, 32-bit one, not Q word as I've done before, and then a bypass. And then a second one. So we've made two new keys, bypass TPM check and bypass secure boot. We'll then go in to right click and modify, and we're going to change these values to 1 on both. You can do one to bypass RAM check as well, but we ain't doing that. You probably don't want to be running Windows 11 if you haven't got enough RAM. Let's just close that down. Same for this. And hit next. I'm going to install Windows 11. I'm going to agree to deleting everything on this drive. And then hit next. I don't have a product key. Maybe that'll be a future video. Might want to like and subscribe to see that one. We'll go for Windows 11 Pro on this. Hit next. Accept. I like to delete all the partitions. Like so, and then just hit next. It then creates all the partitions for you. Okay, ready to install. And that's it. No more pesky checks. Let's let this run through. How long could it possibly take? And now it's time to disable the internet check, because we don't want to have an online account. Shift F10 here. Terminal again. And we type OOBE/bypass no. Let's try that again. There we go. It's N row. That's why I was going wrong. Shift F10 again. And this time we're going to tell the computer to ignore the... This time we're going to tell the computer to ignore the... to disable the internet. ipconfig /release. There we go. We can now close this down. And continue with our installation. And as you can see here, I've now got this I do not have internet button. Let's type my name in. Password for the account, which is always subscribe to Immolo. Do I want Microsoft to know my location? No. No. These are always no. Just so we're clear. And there we go. Windows installed. No TPM, no SecureBoot, no online account. Excellent. Keep compiling, folks, and I'll catch you on the next one. I make funny Gen 2 videos while also teaching you how to use it properly. If you want to help support me, then visit my Patreon at patreon.com/Immolo157. If not, just like and subscribe please, as it really helps with the algorithm.